You can feel good, Mom, about putting out a plate of after-school snacks like these. They're just the right thing to hold you over until dinner. Camille Beckstrand is offering this food inspiration. It's so great to see you. It's been a while. We've been missing you.
I know.
Your little baby at your house.
Got a baby at my house.
Oh my gosh, beautiful girl.
She's sucking up all my time, and I'm okay with it.
And apparently she took all of the hair from all of the babies in the state and put it on her own. She's beautiful. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. We're glad to have you. After school snacks. This is a trouble spot for moms because the kids hit the door starving, and mom's thinking, hold on, I've got dinner in 2 hours.
Right, and you don't want them to come home and just, you know, indulge in all this sugar and then they crash.
Right.
And you want to just kind of give them something that's going to fill them up and keep them feeling good.
These are great ideas.
So,
where are we starting?
They're kind of fun. And this is the thing, too. You know how I am. It has to be simple. It has to be quick. So these you can do in just a couple of minutes.
We love that about you.
So we're going to start right here.
Okay.
So cucumber boats. It's kind of like ants on a log, but with cucumbers.
Nice.
And cottage cheese.
Nice.
So you're just going to take a cucumber, cut it in half, and then use your watermelon baller or whatever it is. And you're going to kind of just scoop out the seeds.
Create a little divot there.
Yeah, kind of make a little place.
And somehow, I mean, here we are making vegetables fun, so they're going to love it, right? The kids are going to love it.
Basically just a thing to hold your cottage cheese, to get it into your mouth.
It's a vessel.
Yes, and my kids love cottage cheese. I know not all kids do, but this is a fun one if they do love it. That's perfect for them.
Awesome.
So, and then you're just going to put some salt and pepper on top. They're good to go.
Done. Done and done. Love it. Love
quick
it.
and easy.
What's next?
Okay, so this one is fun. I make my kids, I'll just set this out for them and let them make their own kebabs. So it's like a cheese, olive, and pickle kebab. So
it's an activity too.
Yes, so it's something they can do. So you're gonna put your cheese on the bottom because that's gonna be your base. Because I don't know if you can see, they're all standing up. It's kind of fun.
So your
little
cheese is the stabilizer.
Army of kebabs.
I'm naming all of your food, your food ingredient. This is the stabilizer.
Right?
That was the vessel.
Sounds
y'all.
Really big words for such a simple thing.
Technical.
Yep.
My grandma used to make these all the time.
She
so
did,
this is kind of a throwback
and
for
it's
me.
kind of a fun appetizer too, like for Thanksgiving.
Right.
This would be a fun thing for kids to make and eat.
Anything on a stick is fun.
Right.
Great color, and it's self-standing.
And everybody loves a good olive cheese pickle.
Totally.
And I just use these little dill pickles, but you could use like sweet if you like those like bread and butter pickles, whatever you want.
Okay, we're getting sweet.
Okay, so now we're heading into raspberries. So these are just yogurt covered raspberries, but you freeze them. So you will want to make these ahead of time. But raspberries, they're so delicate that this is kind of tricky. And this is the thing too, you can use any kind of berry. You can do blackberries, you can do blueberries, you can do strawberries. Anything will work. But I just have a container of yogurt, just vanilla. Just the thing, I'm using Greek yogurt, so it's a lot thicker than most. So this is where it gets a little messy. And I just use my finger to kind of just spread it around. And then you're gonna wanna put it on a sheet with wax paper and just stick it in the freezer for a couple hours.
Well, hello, can this be a mom snack too?
Yes, and you know what? These are so good. I keep these in like little Ziploc baggies in the freezer. Pull them out when I need something sweet.
They're poppers.
Yeah, quick and easy.
I'm gonna try that, love that. All right, apples are at play next?
Yes, so peanut butter and apples, my kids love that as a dip.
Perfect combination.
This is kind of a fun way to make it a little bit different. So you're just gonna throw some peanut butter in there and then also some yogurt.
You're mixing it?
Yes. Okay, so this is strawberry yogurt.
Camille, are we sure about this?
If you love peanut butter and jam, this is a really good combo.
Oh, okay.
Strawberry yogurt.
We do put peanut butter occasionally with fruit.
Yes, so you're gonna mix it up. It just kind of makes it a little bit more creamy. This needs a little bit more peanut butter. But
I would never think to do this.
I know, and when my sister first told me about this, that she made it for her kids, I'm like, you're insane. That's weird.
I'm kind of gagging over the phone right now.
Yes, but it is so good and creamy.
Can I try it?
So, yes.
Okay.
Let me finish getting that.
She's like, I want it to be a good first bite, because here I'm all skeptical about the peanut butter and yogurt.
It makes it super creamy. And here's the other thing too. If you use a Greek yogurt, it's loaded with protein. So it will tide your kids over even longer.
Oh my gosh, just like peanut butter and jelly in your mouth.
In your mouth with an apple.
I love it.
Kind of funny, but I know, you would never know.
Bananas, we can't leave them out?
Yes, so monkey tails. My kids love this. And it's, I mean, it still has chocolate. I use the dark chocolate. But you can use milk, whatever you have.
I love how when we're talking about chocolate, we always say it's dark.
It's dark, so it's okay.
Totally healthy.
Right?
Yeah.
Yes, so just melt some chocolate chips in your microwave. And then you're gonna take a banana, cut it in half, and you're gonna stick a popsicle stick on it.
Got it.
Then just make sure you coat it with the chocolate, and then you can dip it in whatever you want. I have like some crushed nuts. You could do coconut. You could do granola.
I'm gonna bring M&Ms.
I was gonna say M&Ms are super cute and colorful.
Okay.
So there's nothing wrong with that.
That's really fun. You could probably freeze that too, huh?
Yes. So that's actually what you do once you get these all covered in whatever you want.
Look at me read your mind.
It's like you knew.
It's like I knew this was coming.
So
bring on the freezer.
you just stick them on like a cookie sheet with wax paper. You can line them all up. This is another great thing. Once they freeze, put them in Ziploc bags, and then you can pull them out as you need them.
Love it.
For a quick snack after school.
Too. Camille, thank you.
You're so welcome.
Everyone who walks in the studio is so excited to see Camille, but also just thrilled about the release of your 6th cookbook. This sounds so appropriate. 6 sisters, 6 cookbooks.
One for each of us.
It's like you planned it.
Right.
Tell us about this book.
So this one was actually so fun to put together. We're all about traditions and like things that will keep your family close. And so the book is about celebrating every tradition all year long. And so there's recipes that go along with each month of the year, but also traditions you can incorporate into each holiday and month.
It's a beautiful book, of course. Love seeing your smiling faces on the cover, and the way it's organized, I think, is so genius. So we get that at Deseret Book?
Yep, Deseret Book, Amazon, Costco,
Thank you
Walmart.
so much. Great to have you. Hey, if you want to dial up these after-school snack ideas at your house, you can do so by going to our website, studio5.ksl.com. Just click on the recipe tab there, and all of our recipes are there at your fingertips, hopefully in time for dinner.